What color roof increases home value? Um, it seems to be that the most common roofs that increase home values are going to be your grays, black, brown, and obviously tins. Those tend to be the most neutral colors, and those are the ones that most consumers, felt that matched the rest of the exterior of the house. So those are the most common colors. Again, your tan, your black, and gray. So if you have any further questions in regards to those colors or want some additional ideas, my name is Ted. I'm with Sellers Roofing Company, and you can reach me at 651-703-2336. You can also check out our website. We always post blogs at www.roofingexpertsstpaul.com. Thanks.